Dividing mixed numbers for beginners. Look at here. This is a mixed number and this is a mixed number. So we have to divide this number by this number. So at first we have to convert these mixed numbers to improper fraction, right? Improper fraction is that fraction where numerator is greater than denominator. So let us convert this mixed number to improper fraction. So to convert, look, you have to draw a C, right? You have to draw a C like this. Okay, just you have to multiply this denominator to this whole number and you have to add the numerator. So let us do that. So we are getting 3 times 4 plus 3 and denominator will be the same, that is 4. Then here draw a C. So you have to multiply these two numbers then and you have to add this numerator. So you are getting here 1 times 2 plus 1 divided by these two, same denominator, right? Okay, now calculate the things. So we are getting here 12 plus 3 divided by 4, division sign, then 2 plus 1 by 2, then 12 plus 3, 15 over 4 divided, division sign, then 3 over 2. So this division means multiplication by the reciprocal of this fraction. The reciprocal of this fraction will be this. Just you have to change the position of numerator and denominator. Okay, now you have to multiply these two fraction. To multiply these two fraction, you have to multiply top to top and bottom to bottom. That is, you have to multiply numerator to numerator, then denominator to denominator, right? So look, we have to reduce. The common factor of 2 is 2. The common factor of 2 and 4 is 2. So if you divide this 2 by 2, you will get 1. And if you divide this 4 by 2, you will get 2. So you are getting here 15 times 1 divided by 2 times 3. So we are getting here 15 over 6. Look, this is an improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator. Since these two number, look, this two number is mixed number, so our answer should be in mixed number. To convert this improper fraction this to mixed number, you have to apply the long division method. Look, so you have to divide 15 by 6. So what will happen? 6 goes into 15 2 times. That gives us 2 times 6, 12. If you subtract, then you are getting 3, right? So this 3 is a remainder, right? So look, this 2, that is quotient, is a whole number. This remainder 3 is the numerator and this 6 is the denominator, right? Okay, look, we can, the common factor of 3 and 6 is 3. So if you divide this 3 by 3 and if you divide this 6 by 3, then what will happen? 1, 2, right? So 2 and half is the answer. So if you are beginner, then I think you can apply this process to understand the dividing of mixed numbers.